For most women, we do have a drawer full of cosmetics that have been partially used.
Those old makeup containers may be full of more than just powder. They could be harboring dangerous bacteria. So how do you know when to throw them out?
It's difficult to know because on the particular cosmetic, it doesn't tell you how long it's going to last or have any kind of expiration date.
Experts say you should go by when you first opened the makeup. Mascara and liquid foundations last the least amount of time and should be tossed out after just 3 months.
The bacteria can get in there. The preservatives might not be working quite as well as they were when you first opened it. And if you get some of that within your eye, you'll start to get a conjunctivitis, which we know is pink eye.
Powders and foundations opened more than a year ago can also cause problems.
For some women too, they'll get maybe what we call a perioral dermatitis from using some old expired makeup that might irritate the skin and cause little red bumps that look like acne.
And it's not just your makeup, but your makeup applicators that need to be replaced regularly.
Your sponges, if you're using those to help apply makeup, you probably want to replace those at least once a week.
It may be painful to throw out expensive products, but not doing so could hurt worse.
But if you end up in the doctor's office with an infection, all those savings are negated. So, always want to try to have a clean face with some good fresh product on there.